Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Also share the videos with your friends. Today we are going to discuss about the properties of rational number, chapter 1, grade 8. What are the properties of rational number? Closure property, commutative property, associative property and distributive property. You have already learned these properties in your previous classes, not for rational numbers but for natural numbers and integers. It doesn't hold only good for natural numbers and integers but also for rational number. We are also going to see how to find reciprocal of a number and additive inverse of a number. In the coming video, we will have a brief discussion about these properties. So, to get my video at the earliest as possible, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and also share with your friends. Thank you for watching Learn with Sumi.